Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen about the Vue.js 3, the latest updates, the new changes, what new features, what has been added, and also the breaking changes we have seen, right? So first, now in this video, what we will try to do is we will try to develop a simple app with the Vue.js 2 application, and we will see the same coding with the Vue.js 3. What is the change? What is the changes that we need to do in order to achieve the same output from the Vue.js 2 to Vue.js 3? What are the changes we need to do? So let's see in the sample app this one. So just a basic Vue.js 2 code only I will be writing, and we will see in the Vue.js 3 code if we update that one. So will we get the output or what are the changes we need to do? So we will see here. Now going to here, I am having two folders, two projects, something like Vue 2 and also the Vue 3. Okay, you need to remember here Vue 2 and Vue 3, and this Vue. And first let's go to the Vue 2 app. Okay, so here I am having the index.html. So here what I will be having is I am having a simple. We can remove this one all. Okay, so I am importing the Vue 2. Okay, Vue 2 library I am installing, and also I am using app.js code. Okay. Now what I will try to do is app.js code is plenty empty. So now let's try to write the code. So in order to create a Vue instance, what we will be trying to do, new Vue of, and we need to give the element, and it belongs to hash app, and also we need to give the data. Okay, so it could be an object, and I will be writing message. So I can write that message from Vue 2. Okay, I will be writing like this. So this is the simple Vue application. So now Vue instance. So here I can write div id is equal to app. So I need to improve it like this, and here I can write div. So here I will write the message. Okay, and I will create a new some sample button component. Okay, sample button. So I will be creating like this. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to create the component. So how can I create the component? Here I can go and I can write view dot component. So I will be writing sample button, and here we will be having the component structure. So I will be writing the template. Here we will be taking button click me. Okay, so what I will try to do is at the rate click on update. Okay, so I will be writing message method something like on update. Now what I will try to do, so I will be having the methods here. Okay, so methods I will be writing on update. So these all things. So if you have knowledge on the Vue.js, so you will be able to understand. On update, what I will try to do is this dot dollar emit. So I will write update. Okay, so I will invoke the method through the emit. So update. So whenever we got this one, so we can write here at the rate update is equal to on change message or anything, whatever method you want, you can write. So here I can write on change message, and I can copy this one, and here in these methods what I can do, here I can write on change message. So I will be changing that this dot update, sorry, this dot message is equal to update message from Vue 2. So I have written some update message, so I have changed the text. So now let's go to the code. So reveal in file explorer. So I will be going to Vue 2 app, and I will be clicking on the code here. So if I click on this code, so what I will be getting the output is, so this is the output I am getting. So message from Vue 2. Okay, message from Vue 2. I am getting message from Vue 2. When I click on, so you will be able to see the output here. So message, when I click me, if I click here, so we got the update message from Vue 2. So it has been updated. So that means in Vue 2 it is working fine. So we can say that in Vue 2 it is working fine. Now let's copy this all code, and we'll go to the Vue 3 app. So here is same the index.html, the same thing. I am using the same button, update change message, same thing I am using here, and I am using a Vue next, that means Vue 3.0, and I will go to the app.js and I will copy the same thing. Okay, so the method will be changing here on change message. Okay, this is the code what I am writing. So the same thing I am using here. Okay, now if I go here and if I do it in the file explorer, this one, so I will go to the Vue 3 and I will go to the Vue 3 app, and if I click on index.html, this one, so now it's break. Okay, it's broke. So why why this code is breaking is, if you see the console, we will be getting an error that view.component is not a function. I already told you global view functions is not available in the Vue.js. First what we need to do is, so in this app.js, so this is the view instance. So now we should not use like this new view of, we should not use like this. We will be using, okay, view.create app. Okay, so this is the first change what we need to do. And another change what we need to do is, so data, right now the data will not be an object all the time. So now it should be an, all the time it will be an method returning the object. Okay, it should be a method returning the object, just like the components. How you will be using the components, you need to do like this. This is another change what we can say. And another one what we can say is, so here we are having view.component, this one is, so from now onwards view.component, view.directive, these all things will not work. We need to copy this one, okay, and here we need to paste it this one, and we need to save it in the one variable, this one, and we need to replace it to app.component. Okay, so this is the thing we'll be doing. Now let's go and refresh the code. So will there be any changes or not, we'll see. Now if I go and if I refresh this one, still I am getting an error, app.js 7, we got an error. So what is that error we are saying? So I can go here, oh, it's a semicolon it is saying, okay, no problem. And I can go to the what I can say, I can go to this output, and here if I check this one, still I am getting an error, but here it is saying that no errors, nothing. So what could be the problem here is, so another one what we did is, so EL is not there, so we need to remove this EL, and we need to write here, after adding all these things, you can write here app.mount of hash app. Okay, so we need to use like this. And now if I go here and if I refresh the code, okay, immediately the code is working. See, so if you see, so this is from the view 2, so it is not from the view 2, so that's why we will update this one to view 3. Okay, now if I check the output here, so now if I refresh it, so I am getting the view 3. If I click here, we got the update message. See, so these are the same changes that occurred in the view 3. So view 2 and view 3, so we should not use the view.component and new view, so from now onwards, and also EL is also not there. So if you want to bind any method, we will be using app.mount app. So from now onwards, when you are trying to add any component, you need to use app.component, and we need to use the view.create app, and also the data, it should be returned, so it should be a method returning the object. Okay, so these are the main changes. So while developing the Vue.js project, basic thing, Vue.js view file, when you are developing, these are the changes you need to keep it in mind. So these are the breaking changes what we will be having when you are migrating from Vue to Vue 3. These are the breaking changes you will be having. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.